Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. We might have one of the most slept on collaborations of 2023 inside of today's box. I can't wait to get into it. I need all you guys' comments to see how y'all feel about this sneaker, because this one right here is definitely a sleeper in my honest opinion, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, I appreciate you guys for coming through. Come see what your boy DaVinci is talking about. And if you did not check out yesterday's video, we did do a quick little early look at the Air Jordan 5 I'm on my years. And these things right here are beautiful, man. It's probably a lot more words that I can, describe this sneaker as, but the quality is immaculate. The craftsmanship was crazy, and I'm super happy that I was able to get these things. Their full review and no feet will be coming shortly, man. I'm on my year, Air Jordan 5s, one of the best collabs of 2023. You guys also know tomorrow we will be getting the official release for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. The long overdue retro. These things, they came out since 2009. I think the first initial drop was in 1997, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can correct me down below if I'm wrong, but this is the second time it has retro, first time since 09. It's crazy. You guys already know, man, I'm getting a double up of these tomorrow. I don't care what I gotta do. I'm gonna find a pair tomorrow, go grab them things. I'm keeping them joints on ice for a while, because who's to know when the next time the Cherry 12s gonna come back out. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all feeling where I'm coming from, bro. So you guys let me know if you already secured a pair of the Cherries, if you're still trying to find a pair, or your last look is the Nike Sneakers app. And the results for, Foot Locker and Champ should be coming out soon. I took an L on Hibbit, which kind of sucks, but at least we got this pair right here from the shop drop on Nike Sneakers app, so shouts out to them. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like, man. You guys have been going crazy the like button lately. The likes, go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, so let's keep it rolling, let's keep it going. And we're like so close, like less than 200 away from 80K, and we're gonna be going live, giving away a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. All right, man, so here we have them, bro. Check it out. Now, this right here, like I said, is a very interesting sneaker. I would probably say because this is my first time having this particular silhouette in the Jordan line, so that probably kind of gave it away right there. And these actually released twice. I think it was an initial release in like August sometime or September, and it was like a second release of the same sneaker. And you guys probably know, you put two and two together, you ain't skipped through the video yet. But the people that is, enjoying the video, go ahead and comment icon in the comment section, along with whatever else you're gonna say in today's video. I appreciate y'all. All right, guys, so we got the tape off the box, and let's go ahead and see what we have in here, bro. And a lot of you probably won't even know by the box what it is, but it kind of does look like an Air Jordan 1 box, but with a bit of a twist. So let's go ahead and get these things out, man. Super dope box, super dope packaging. You have the huge white Nike on the top of the box, and then you have Nike going around it, and there's some engraved logos around the box as well if you haven't picked that up already. So official colorway reads Jordan Airship PE SP Summit White Black, and these are a size 9, as you guys can see right here, man. So I gave it away, bro. You guys should know what it is. If not, let's go ahead and peel these things open and check them out, man. Yeah, inside you got your Airship right there. And then checking out the tissue paper, I might have to hit you guys a little bit of B-roll of that, but you do have the I'm on my year all over the tissue paper, along with the inside of the box, man. You got the big I'm on my year logo, and then I'm on my year logos are all around the lid of the sneaker. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and peel these things back and check them out. And recently, they've been throwing so much tissue paper in the shoes, it's crazy. So let's go ahead and get one of these things out and check them out, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. Here we have them, the Airship I'm on my years. Go ahead and grab the other one out of all this tissue paper that Nike decided to start using, and throw this to the side real quick and check out what we have in front of us, bro. Let me get my first initial thoughts and opinions out real quick. And off first glance, is definitely not a bad sneaker. And then again, it's not an Air Jordan 1, if that makes sense. So, the huge misconception is this is an Air Jordan 1. It's not. This is an Airship. I guess these were produced a little bit before the Air Jordan 1s, or the first mock-ups or something like that. I know you guys know, all you wizards out there with the sneaker, but the whole construct And the whole model is similar to the Jordan 1, but there's a lot of similarity as well, like I mentioned, man. On the back right here, you do have your Nike Air. And then something that's quite interesting is down here where the lacing system is at, you guys to see it actually folds out. And I feel like this has something to do with actually wearing the sneaker to play basketball in, because you got that little elastic band right there to give you a little bit more versatility as far as moving from side to side, jumping up and down. That's just my take on it. And then checking out the midsoles, man, look at that, bro. Look at the aged midsole going all the way around these Airship NOIRs. And I honestly think they killed it with this release as far as the quality, the execution. You got a lot of laces, you got a black set of laces, and even laces right here matches the midsole of these Airships. And I almost didn't even peep, bro. I almost didn't even peep it, man. So on this shoe, you have the Nike Air on the back, and then on the left sneaker, you do have the NOIR logo up top. And this is not just your normal leather on the back. This is all a nubuck hit. Kind of got a little bit of brush strokes right there, as you guys can see. And I almost didn't catch this, bro. I almost did not catch this. You do have another like little clamp or something like that with the NOIR logo. Now, I'm not too sure where you would use or put this at. I'm gonna see some pictures on IG and see what I can use that for. But you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think initially about the sneaker. That's what we're here for. This is what I love to do. Kind of bring out a sneaker that was kind of overshadowed, a little slept on, you feel me, and bring it to you guys' attention and get y'all opinion, because I do not see a lot of people wearing these. I don't see a lot of people talking about these in the comment section. And it's just an interesting sneaker. My first Airship in the collection. And you know, my NOIR collection been growing. We got the NOIR Airships right here. We have the Air Jordan 12 NOIRs. We have both colors, the white and the black. And I'm telling you, bro, every drop they've done, the quality, the hits, the craftsmanship, it just have been immaculate, man, in my opinion. And then following it up with the Air Jordan 5 NOIRs, probably my second favorite out of everything they've collabed with Jordan Brand, if I'm being truthfully honest. And something I did not peep also on this sneaker, under the Nike Air tab on the tongue, you also get NOIR. You also get NOIR right under it. And the tongue is like super high for some reason, bro. Kind of like they kept a regular Air Jordan 1 high OG tongue and put it on an Air Jordan 1 mid. That's kind of what it looked like. This is literally the length of the tongue. I'm not pulling it up. This is literally where it will sit if I'm wearing the sneaker. So again, I need all you guys' honest take, honest opinion about what NOIR has been doing. I feel like they've been killing this year. I've been loving everything. I don't have all the NOIRs. Definitely gonna be coming back to the collection here soon, but just to have the Airships, to have these NOIR 5 that's coming out in a couple of weeks, I'm really digging what NOIR has been doing, man. If you guys want to see a full review and on feet over these joints, I need to get this video up to 500 likes. I would love to do a review on feet. If you guys ain't feeling the sneaker, y'all gonna let me know by not hitting that like button, if you get what I'm saying. We get this up to 500 likes, definitely do a full breakdown, a full on feet these things. I'm loving them, and this is definitely a sneaker I did not see myself copying. But here you guys see it. We have them in a collection now. I was telling the homie, the Retro Wiz kid, man, I said, bro, I feel like I'm gonna regret doing that top 10 pickups. I told him, like, I don't need nothing else. I ain't copping nothing else. But then you get a shoe like these, you get a sneaker like these. We still have a couple other drops that I'm, you know what I'm saying, honestly eyeing. I'm like, man, I might have to do like a top 20 pickups of the year, because there's so many sneakers that I want to highlight and kind of emphasize you guys on how much I like them. It's some of my best additions to the collection of 2023. So I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys for tapping in. Let's get this up to 500 likes. We're gonna throw these things on feet, but if we don't, hey, it is what it is. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video. We gotta double up on these Air Jordan 12 cherry things, man. Peace.